Aisyah Maisarah binti Rasidi.
My name is Intan Maisarah Fika binti Muhammad Azali.
My name is Nurul Jamna binti Tohib.
I'm Siti Nur Akilah binti Zulnun.
My name is Nur Nakwiahani binti Muhammad Zainuddin.
My name is Nurul Ifah Nabiha binti Muhammad Syukri.
My name is Nur Feriza Syahira binti Abdul Rahman.
IKEA is the largest retail company that sells mass market home furnishing, appliance, ready-to-assemble furniture, home accessories and kitchen products that is trendy, in demand and competitively priced. IKEA is focused on high-growth product driven by current social trends such as home decor, furniture, bed and mattress, storage and organization. From a small Swedish business that sells through mail order catalogs, IKEA now has been operating in 57 countries and has more than 1,600 dealers to produce products and well-organized delivery of these products to 186 stores all over the world. IKEA now become one of the most famous home furnishing brands in the world. Thus, it is enough to prove that IKEA marketing mix strategy is successful. Moreover, IKEA distribution channel members including manufacturer, wholesaler, dealer, retailer and consumer. Furthermore, through the rapid growth of IKEA distribution scale, it will have new challenge, which is a distribution center service numerous markets in the future.
This company has been skyrocketed as successfully as it has been founded by Ingvar Kamprad in 1943. The mission of the IKEA company has been to create a better daily life for many people since its inception by providing a broad variety of well-designed, practical home furnishings at lower price levels that they can be afforded by as many people around the world. Obviously, the needs of families living in poverty are greater than those more affluent circumstances. Yet, we all share basic needs, which is a stable home, a good health, a regular income, a desire to keep our children healthy, to see them well educated and effective in life. That is why the IKEA Foundation has agreed to concentrate their funding on these main needs in order to strengthen the environment for children and youth around the developing nations so that they will always build a better future for themselves and their community.
Next, we move to IMC tools. This including advertising, sales promotion, publicity or public relation, personal selling, direct marketing and digital marketing. Advertising is one of the better successful ways of brand promotion. For instance, advertisement may be in form of print, broadcast, network, display and electronic. IKEA do advertise their products through broadcast form, which is television. For example, sponsorship of Modern Family TV show by TV3. TV3 is a paid service and allows company to sponsor shows or episodes with limited commercial instruction. The ads will be at one per commercial break and each ad will continue a continuing storyline. This is because viewer isn't looking at one multiple times, but rather a series of ads that tell a story throughout the program. In addition, sales promotion. The sales promotion medium will use a loyalty program as well to a promotion target to individuals living more than 45 miles from an IKEA store. For example, IKEA has implemented a loyalty program where customers are giving reward for their purchasing item from IKEA. The program will be free for customers to join and be renewed on a yearly basis. Moreover, the customers in the program will also receive the IKEA newsletter, which contains the mini catalog information. Furthermore, publicity or public relations is a two-way communication which can monitor feedback and adjust its message for providing maximum benefit. IKEA's public relation efforts focus on earning positive media for IKEA's sustainability efforts and IKEA's contribution to local communities. Based on this, efforts will also be made to monitor customer satisfaction among returning customers. IKEA also do implement a follow-up program with current customers to monitor and improve customer satisfaction. Customer satisfaction surveys will be utilized in two ways, which is on exit surveys and online surveys. For example, exit surveys will display on self-checkout screen. This can help IKEA to monitor their customer satisfaction and increase repeat purchases by customers.
Continue with the IMNC tools, which is personal selling. Okay, unlike advertising, personal sale require direct interaction between the customer and the seller. Okay, either face to face or by some of telecommunications such as telephone sales. Okay, personal sales is a long-term goal, which is to create partnerships to avoid turnover of clients, improve repeat business, and encourage word of mouth referrals. Okay, for direct marketing sections, IKEA use direct mailings, catalogs, and brochure to achieve their objective. Okay, the target group for IKEA direct marketing campaigns is demographic targets, which is individuals that have recently improved their living conditions, individuals who do not live near IKEA store, and individuals who enjoy shopping at IKEA. Okay, with using direct mail to produce lead and build new customer, IKEA build minimum magnetic IKEA goods and send them to consumer. Okay, lastly, in order to strengthen ties with the target market or consumer, okay, through a social network, IKEA track their social networking site closely. Okay, this provide a positive experience for shopper who live a few hours away from IKEA store and generate positive online feedback.
So today I will present about the budget that allocate for IKEA. So the budget that is needed for the IKEA is especially from the promotional mix element, included the advertising, which is around 50,000, and the sale promotion around 2,000, publicity 30,000, direct marketing 1,000, digital marketing 10,000, personal selling 2,000. So the total of this promotional mix is around 60,000. We can conclude that 50% of this promotion is needed for the publicity. This is because IKEA provide a screening space for their product to attract the interest of their customers.
Evaluation of IMC programs for IKEA based on whether strategies used raise awareness of IKEA's missions through the focus group that built to make a screening to analyze the scope of the overall video campaigns generated by YouTube, which is commercial, spread the message that IKEA has environmentally friendly furnishings. Based on the focus group, these techniques that was designed for IKEA are effective in increasing awareness by purchasing IKEA furniture and home furnishings. This method will measure whether this approach stand out and catch people's attention. The success of the campaign is to aim at raising buying and repeat purchasing that lead to the achievement when 30% or more of the people make several purchases in a year.
The suggestion and recommendations for IKEA. It is recommended for IKEA to always prioritize their existing customers. Gaining new customers may seem great and all, but it is also very important for IKEA to maintain the good relationship with existing customers, because neither of them should be obliterated. This is because in order to gain new customers, IKEA need to spend more time and more costs instead of IKEA should use the remaining time and cost efficiently, focusing on with the existing customers. So requiring new customers may heavily cost IKEA to do marketing activities such as promoting, advertising their product to create new awareness and attention from the customers. So next, IKEA may resume to publish on their official website more often. This is because it derives customers to keep updated from IKEA, and it will create interest from customer every time they visit or revisit the IKEA official website. They will also get exposure from time to time from the positive feedback from other customers that had experience purchasing from them. This exposure leads to trust by potential and existing customers for future references. Other than that, hosting an in-person or virtual events. And events being hosted by businesses in order to generate attentions and interest from customers, because it is the best way to communicate with customers. This is an effective campaign that IKEA can run to distribute products descriptions to the customers. IKEA have been running an in-person event before, which is in-store sleepover, where IKEA family members can have a sleepover in the showroom, where they can also experience the IKEA's product in order to recognize the product even better. This helps IKEA gain recognition after succeed in satisfy these customers.
Okay, for my part is I have to make a conclusion. Okay, so in a conclusion, IKEA use integrated marketing communication tools to grow their business. The IMC tools that they use are advertising, sales promotion, publicity or public relation, personal selling, direct marketing, and digital or internet marketing. Okay, even though IKEA was happily marketing their product to everyone, but they must market their product relies on who is their customer. This is to make sure that they can persuade people to buy more furniture if they understand who their customer, who their market is. Hence, IKEA must know what their customer age, gender, profession, average income, hobbies and interests, because this information will help IKEA to use the best IMC tools. Okay, for additional info, IKEA have a same apps called IKEA Home. Okay, as we know, one of the most uninteresting part or boring part of purchasing furniture is having to determine all this profession and then trying to calculate if the piece of furniture that customer would need would suit. But with the apps, customer can see what any real size part of IKEA furniture could look like at the house.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.